So GoPro just created a new battery that boasts Hero 10 and Hero 9 performance enhancements, increased runtime on the Hero 10, faster charging times, and improved low temperature performances. Huh. Well, I'm actually an American living in Australia, so that last one is gonna be a little bit hard to check right now because it's, in the middle of summer. But since it is a hot summer's day here, we can test everything else out and see how well the Enduro battery stacks up to the old battery. It's only $10 due difference.
Dollary dues?
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so don't be a stranger. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, plus a surprise link. And also a huge shout out to the channel Grab Life by the Goulays, because these are very hard to get down under. And since he was buying a new GoPro Hero 10, he was able to order 2 of these with him and gave one to me. So thanks a lot, Jeremy. And hey, if you're feeling a little bit generous, you can go over to his channel and check it out, and don't be a stranger to his channel as well. So here's what I did, and I'm gonna try to keep this to the point and not let it drag on, especially because it's getting hot. I'm already starting to sweat, and I'm gonna be out here for a couple of hours to test this out, so yay! So first things first, I'm going to take the Hero 10, put the regular battery in it, and set it on your typical settings, 4K, 60 frames per second, hyper smooth, but just for fun, not that I recommend this, I turn on GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and voice control. So I'm gonna take this and go for an hour-long skate trek, get some time lapses, do some cool videos. Not that you need to see any of that because that's not really the point of this, but we'll see how the battery lasts with all of that in 1 hour.
1 hour.
No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that little SpongeBob transition. So we'll just say 1 hour later. I have been filming with this on and off, connecting it to the app, doing some time lapses, and the battery is currently at 15%, so not much left. But when I was like recording for longer periods of time, that was obviously taking the most of the battery. So 15%, so now you know what? Let's pop the Enduro battery in and go do the exact same things, filming, stopping for about 1 hour. So see you in an hour, see what happens. All right, so it's 1 hour later with the Enduro. I did the exact same settings, did the same kind of shots, turned it on, turned it off, connected it to the app, did all that stuff, and after 1 hour, it's actually at 25%. So it gives you a little bit more. Playing around with the menu system, I didn't really notice a big performance enhancement. I mean, turning it on, it seemed a little bit faster, but not like, I mean, it was already pretty fast as it was. As far as charging faster, I did notice when I put it on my dual charger that it definitely hit green a lot faster. If you're looking to purchase a new battery, I think it's worth the extra $1 dues to get the Enduro. I mean, if you can't get it and you need a new battery, I think the old battery's great. I mean, there's no problems with it. And maybe the question is, why doesn't GoPro just, make the Enduro battery their default battery and get rid of the other battery? Because this is better. It's only $5 difference, US dollars. But there we go. That was a fun day out of the office, just testing to see what happens. And if you want to check out some other cool GoPro videos that I've made, you can choose from any of the ones that are on the screen right now. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.